Mastering the art of invitations in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the nuances of the English language to help you become more fluent and confident speakers. Today, we're going to explore a very practical and everyday topic: inviting someone out. Whether it's for a coffee, a movie, or just a walk in the park, knowing how to extend an invitation is key to building relationships and navigating social situations in English. So, let's get started. When we talk about inviting someone out, we're referring to the act of asking someone to join you for an event, activity, or gathering outside of your home. This could be as casual as grabbing a cup of coffee, as exciting as attending a concert, or as simple as going for a stroll. The essence of this phrase lies in the social gesture of reaching out to someone else, suggesting a shared experience, and expressing a desire to spend time together. To make an invitation, there are several expressions you can use, each varying slightly in formality and context. Let's go through some of the most common ones. Would you like to? This is a polite and open-ended way to extend an invitation, allowing the other person to feel comfortable accepting or declining. How about we? This suggests a plan or idea for the outing, inviting input and making it a collaborative decision. Do you want to? A bit more informal, this phrase is direct and straightforward, ideal for inviting friends or peers. I was wondering if you would like to? This is a gentle and polite way to invite someone, adding a layer of thoughtfulness to your invitation. Knowing how to respond to invitations is just as important as knowing how to make them. Here are some polite ways to accept or decline an invitation. Accepting: I'd love to. Thank you. Or, that sounds great. I'm in. Declining: I appreciate the offer, but unfortunately, I can't make it. Or, thank you for inviting me, but I have other plans. Remember, politeness and clarity are key when responding to invitations, whether you're accepting or declining. Inviting someone out and responding to invitations are fundamental social skills that can help you forge stronger connections and enjoy a variety of experiences. Practice using the phrases we've discussed today, and don't be afraid to extend an invitation. It's a wonderful way to express friendship and interest. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English speaking journey. Until next time, keep practicing, and see you in our next video.